Hey guys, this week we're going to be doing a giveaway, so stick around and figure out how you can enter. Hello and welcome to this week's edition of BS with AJ. As I said before, this week we're going to be doing a giveaway. I recently reached 2,000 subscribers and I wanted to do something to give back to the people who've been faithfully supporting me over the last 2 years. So first thing I want to say is a big thank you to all you guys, because I wouldn't be where I am without you, of course. I enjoy making these videos. I enjoy learning new things, to be able to teach you guys new things. It really pushes me to make new projects, and I really enjoy it. So the first thing we're going to talk about are the prizes. The first thing we're giving away is this wooden spatula. It's made out of a hardwood called ash, so it's a really tough wood, and it's really good for utensils and things like that because it's such a tough wood. I turned the bottom of this using the lathe, and then I cut the other part up out here using the bandsaw and sanded it all down and coated it with wood butter. Now the only thing is you don't want to put that in the dishwasher, so if you win this, make sure you hand wash it only, as with any other type of wood utensil, because it could run it if you put it in the dishwasher. You don't want to do that, of course. The second thing we're giving away is this $10 gift card to Lowe's. You can use this for whatever you want to, at Lowe's of course. You can use it maybe to buy some tools or materials to follow along with a video that I've made showing you how to build something or how to fix something or something similar to that or whatever. Like I said, it's your money, you do what you want to with it. But down in the description below, at the very top of the description, there's going to be a link, and you'll click on that link. It'll take you to the website showing you how you can enter to win. There are 12 different ways you can enter. Some of them are using Facebook, some are Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, of course. There's also one you can visit my Patreon website, and there's also a bonus one where you do 5 or more entries, you get an extra entry. Like I said, there's 12 different ways to enter. Most of them are worth 1 entry apiece. There's a couple of them that are worth 2, and there's a couple of them that are even worth 5 entries. So be sure and check all those out. Enter as many times as you can, and this will be ending on March the 9th. So you have from now until March the 9th of 2019, and that's when this is going to be done. And I'll be sure and let you know who the winner is and all that kind of good stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting BS with AJ on Patreon so we can do bigger and better projects for you guys. We'll see you next week.